or afternoon or evening, whatever time of day you're joining us. I am so glad that you could be here. My name is Chantel. I am the reference librarian here at the Flint Memorial Library in North Reading. I will be your guide today. I'm coming to you live from our wonderful and sunlit fiction section this morning. And I just also want to say happy 2021. If you are here, you made it through the crazy year that was 2020. And I know that 2021 is proving to be pretty chaotic so far as well. So I just want to invite you to pause for a moment and take a breath and just sit here and enjoy some of the fun materials that I'm going to share with you. This month is National Hobby Month, so I have some books and magazines and online resources to share that can kind of open up a whole new world of possibilities for you if you're looking to maybe be a little more active this year or start a new hobby or project, get some things done around the house. I've got some things I think that you'll enjoy, so stay tuned and we'll get started. All right, so the first book that I want to share with you is called Walking with Glenn Berkencamp. Berkencamp in this book takes you through 35 different wellness walks. So he's going to talk about the benefits, how to do it, when to do it. There's some really cool things in here like dedication walks, gratitude walks, there's full moon walks, there's a whole variety. I flipped through and I think I might even want to take this home because there's some really interesting stuff in here. So if you're looking to kind of get out of the house and move around, this might be a good place to start for you. So again, Walking with Glenn Bergenkamp. Speaking of your house, if you are looking to maybe get into that DIY project or do some decluttering, clean some things up, or just add some flair, something to lighten everything up, well, I have some things for you here. The first one is called The Holistic Guide to Decluttering. This is by Michele of Neat Little Nest. This is going to be decluttering for all parts of your home. There's also going to be some things about decluttering in your office space, getting into a routine, setting up a planner, all those kinds of things. And of course, there's going to be some really pretty pictures in here too. So The Holistic Guide to Decluttering. There's also a beginner's guide to DIY and home repair. So this one's really cool. You're gonna get introductions to a variety of tools that you would need to get some things done around the house. Again, it's gonna take you through room by room for some different projects. So I'm just gonna open up right here. Like if you need to add a clothes rail to your closet, you can do that and it's gonna show you how. And it's gonna tell you everything that you need. So this will be good if there's some things that you're just needing to check off that to-do list and you want to do it yourself. The final one here is called Houseplants for All. This one is so pretty. This is going to show you some different plants such as cacti. I have a couple of these in our apartment and I love them. They're super fun. This is going to show you again, the different kinds of plants, how to take care of them, where you can put them, and also again, very pretty pictures. So that one's Houseplants for All by Danae Horst. All right, I do want to make a quick plug for our magazine collection because we do have some really great magazines here. I pulled some ones that are hobby related. So we have Family Handyman, we have the Crochet magazine that's seasonal. We also have, of course, EatingWell and the Food Network magazine. Very, very good stuff in here. So not only do we have the physical magazines, but you can also always borrow magazines through Overdrive if you like to read them digitally and don't want to request the physical copy. Magazines are always available. There are hundreds and hundreds of different magazines that you can download digitally. I will leave a link below this video caption for where you can access those, and of course you can always reach out to us if you need some help borrowing those. All right, so I've got 3 more books here for you. So for those of you who attended the Winter Backyard Birds program that we held I believe it was last month, this one is for you if you are trying to attract birds to your garden. This is How to Attract Birds to Your Garden. Pretty straightforward. So this is by Dan Rouse. So Dan Rouse is going to take you through some of the different birds that you might see in your backyard, the different kinds of things that you can place out there, like a feeder or a bird bath, plants that you can put in your garden that will draw the birds in, and you'll have some little feathered friends to join you. Okay, and finally, if you're looking to pick up an instrument, maybe for the first time, we do have our Classic for Dummies series. We have a piano for dummies, and we also have a guitar for dummies. And I also just want to let you know that we do have a ukulele that you can check out. I believe it's out right now because it's a popular thing that circulates with us. And we also have a ukulele for dummies book. But that's just going to take you through basic techniques on how to learn these instruments. And there's going to be some sheet music in there that you can practice with. So good place to start if you're trying to get more musical this year. The last thing that I want to plug is in our online catalog, we have a kind of catalog room, if you will, called Wellness Week Resources. We collaborated with the Community Impact team a couple of months ago during North Reading's Wellness Week, and I was able to put together some really nice lists on a variety of topics. So you're going to find exercise, eating well, DIY and creativity, some things like that fall into those categories. So again, I will place a link in the video or underneath this video, and you can browse those collections. So that's it for today. I'm going to keep this one short, and of course, if you have any questions, as always, you can reach out to us. My number is 978-664-4942. You can reach me at my desk at extension 2. And you can always find us at flintmemoriallibrary.org. Hope you have a great day, and we will look forward to seeing you next month. Bye.